look at the pointer registers. Okay, so the pointer registers are 32-bit EIP, ESP, and EBP registers. EBP registers, and their corresponding 16-bit registers portion, which are the IP, SP, and BP. Okay, and there are three categories of pointer registers. Okay, so I have here a picture. Okay, so let me bring it. Okay, so that you can see. Okay, so but before we talked about, let us note down that we have the EIP. Okay, we have the EIP, we have the ESP, and we have the EBP. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. So these ones are 32-bit registers. Okay, and these ones we have their corresponding 16-bit portion, which are the right portion. Okay, as you can see, this right portion here. Okay, so we have the IP, we have the SP. Okay, and then we have the BP, like that. Okay, so from there we are going to take a look at the categories of the pointer registers. Okay, so let me bring that picture that I told you that I'm having. Okay, so let me bring it. Okay, it's right there. Okay, so as you can see, it's right there. Okay, so the first category is called it's called the instruction pointer. Okay, that point is called the instruction pointer. Okay, which is IP. Okay, it's the IP which I showed you right here. As you can see, IP right there. Okay, so the 16-bit IP register stores the offset address of the next instruction to be executed, and IP in association with the CS register as CS colon IP, like this, CS colon IP. Okay, so in association with the CSS, so IP in association with the CS registers, with the CS register, gives the complete address of the current instruction in the code segment. Okay, so from there we have let's bring back our picture. So we have so here we are seeing we are seeing the ESP, we are seeing the EBP. Then in the ESP we have this lower half, the SP, which we got from the 32-bit, the ESP. Okay, and then we have the BP, which we got from the EBP. Okay, so and this one is a stack pointer, and the next one is the base pointer, the BP. Okay, so from there, let us take a look at the stack pointer. Okay, so this one, the 16-bit SP register provides the offset value within the program stack, and the SP in association with the SS register, like this. So for example, if we have that one, SS, and the SP. Okay, so the SP in association with the SS register refers to the current position of data or address within the program stack. Okay, so let us take a look at another one which is called the base pointer. The base pointer, as in the pictures you can see here, the base pointer, this one here, the base pointer. Okay, so the base pointer, the 16-bit BP register mainly helps in referencing the parameter variables based this one, the base pointer, which I'm talking about, the BP, the 16-bit BP register. This one mainly help in referencing the parameter variables which are passed to the subroutine. Okay, so the address in SS register is combined with the offset in BP to get the location of the parameter. Okay, so BP can also be combined with the DI and SI. Okay, as the base register for special addressing. Okay, so like that, we shall take a look at how we can use all these registers, okay, in future parts. Okay, so even those who are running disassembling or who are running reverse engineering, you will also apply these registers, okay, and see how you can use them. Okay, so if you are working, if you want to manage data on the stack. Okay, so like that. Okay, so in the next part we shall take a look at the index registers. Okay, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay.